Alright, off on a little adventure here. It's a little chilly out, for South Texas at least. Gonna head down the canals. Short little run down the canals. It's kind of windy out. Not too bad. I'm tempted just to like ride the bike straight down in the canal here. Try to get up the other side, but I think I would mess that up somehow. Of course, it's windy out. It's always windy lately. Oh. They finally mowed the canals. It's nice. I now have a tubeless setup. Went to the truck store in Mission, got myself a tubeless setup. Because I popped 2 tires in like 2 rides from little thorns on this trail. So instead I'll just try it without tubes. I think it'll help for those little thorns. I'm just kind of going through it here. There's some large owls that live in this field, in these trees. I've seen them, taking pictures of them. Maybe I'll go through here now. This is a bumpy mess through here, my God. Should have deflated my tires a little bit more to soak up this. These are the trees that I've seen the owls in before. Yep, there's one right there. It just went flying out of that tree. There's the other one. Those 2 owls still live here. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to scare you off. That's cool that they're still here. I have to come back and try to camouflage, get some pictures of them. Fire ants. I don't know what the plan is today. I guess it's just going on an off-road adventure here. Light candles this, no problem. Oh, they took this fence down here. That's interesting. To me, that says that means there used to be a barbed wire fence. This would be where it crossed over here. I wonder if this has been sold off though, and that they're planning to make a new housing development or something. Could very well be the case. Jeez, need to go even lower in gear here. Prickly pears. What we got through here? Man, haven't been back here for a few months. I like that the bike just handles it. Cut out some trees here. I wonder if they're planning on developing this. I really hope not. Like, it's so nice to have a nature area right in back of my house. I would hate for this to become another gated subdivision. But that's just how the world works. Gonna climb back over this stuff. Shit, whoa! That's fun. That's like pure, like just a mound of sand there. That's not an easy climb. This is easier. Still sandy, but small. I feel bad for disturbing those owls, but I think owls are also pretty resilient as far as like they'll just fly off and then come fly back. It's not gonna bother them too much. That came through here. Hopefully, that's what I'm telling myself at least. So I don't feel too bad about disturbing the owls. I got 30 PSI in my tires, and it's way too bouncy for this, what I'm riding through. Way too bouncy. I feel like if I had 10 less PSI, it'd be a much more comfortable ride. It's not, I mean, like I can handle this, but I could see how it could be more comfortable. Back on the trail here. Now, when I took my bike in yesterday, I picked it up and they said they filled them up to 40 PSI, the maximum. And my thought was, wow, that's really high. So I came home and I took out 10 PSI. Actually, I took out about 20, but then I was just riding it around the block, and it felt really low. So I pumped a bit more back in, brought the front up to about 30, and I think the rear about the same. Maybe a little less in the front than the rear. But it still feels like way too much. It feels fine on the road, but oh, there's a little cat. Looks like my cat, which isn't not too odd because my cat was a feral cat in this neighborhood. There's another cat. There's so many feral cats in the neighborhood. There's no water in the canal here. It hasn't rained in, I don't even remember last time. It's been a few months. At the other side of the canal here. Big ass house over there. I like their balcony. $5G tower here. Another cat. Watch out, kitty. All these cats look a little bit like my cat. They're all cousins. Cat on the fence. Saw an orange one down here too. Down the dike or whatever this thing is here. There's almost a jump here. I think I could take that as a jump on the way back. Oh shoot. I'll try hitting this again. I'm just messing around here. I'm not even much of a mountain biker, but get some speed. Should get my seat out of the way a bit. That's fun shit. Okay. Now I'm tired out. How far have I gone? 1.73 miles. Not too far. I think I'll end the video portion of this ride here.